Hey everybody, it's Kayla Simone. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to do a video that's actually trending. I usually don't do trending type videos, but today I'm going to. And it is going to be me following Alissa Ashley's testing of the Jaclyn Hill palette and the eye look that she came up with. I finally kind of got my hands on this because I have some makeup to do for a few people, and I just feel like I was lacking a few colors, and I've been dying to get my hands on it anyway. So if I look over here, it's because my viewfinder is over here, of course. So my refrigerator in the back. But yeah, this palette's super cute. The packaging is cute off rip. So this is kind of like a 2-in-1, a review, first impressions of this palette, and then it's also me following along with Alissa Ashley to see if I can achieve this look, and this should be very interesting. So if you are interested in watching and seeing me try out this palette, then just stay tuned. Alright, so let me find this video. And if you like my shirt, it says "Hey Auntie" with Michael B. Jordan on it. Hey Auntie. And I did start, I have foundation, highlight, set my face, my brows are already done, and I put my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer on my lids, and then put my Sacha Buttercup on my lids as well, so that's already done.
Eyeshadow look with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and it's so funny because I saw on Twitter, I was like, you know, do you guys want it? And everyone was like, oh, just don't do a brown smoky eye, don't do a smoky eye, I'm so sick of seeing it. And I'm just like, that's what I was gonna do. $38, and you get 35 eyeshadows, so that's a pretty good value. And here's what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen it already, but here's what it looks like. Let's show you guys. Wait, this is kind of bright, so let's just kind of give it the spotlight for a second. Ooh. Okay, here's what it looks like. And it is an all new formula. Alright, let's go ahead and start with our first shade. I'm going to take this shade right here. And I definitely have to say this is one of my favorites in the palette. And the reason why is because I would describe it as a really mellow yellow. And let me go ahead and just apply it. This is a Morphe brush. This is a R35 brush. I would describe it as a mellow yellow that has, like, I don't know how to explain it. It's not like a, let me think. What's the comparison? Like what do you call it? Sugar pill butter cupcake? Is that what it's called? A buttercup yellow? It's not one of those where it's super bright. It's more so very chilled down, as you can see. And I like that. I like that about it because I think that it makes it a little more versatile in terms of I can use it as a transition color and then apply things on top, and you still get that really nice peak of yellow on underneath the eyeshadow, without being, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I love the fact that it's a mellow yellow. I think it's going to play really well with fall makeup looks for sure. I'm going to take this shade right here, and I would describe this shade as a kind of like a camel color, and I love camel colors as well. And all of the matte shades blend really nice and smooth, and I don't know, it's just so different than the other the other palettes that they've come out with. Like, it's difficult to explain, but with these shadows, I've noticed that you can pile them on top of each other over and over again, and you're not gonna get a muddy mess. And I'm not saying the other Morphe palettes do that. I'm saying that I've dealt with palettes before where you put one shadow on, you put another one on, and another one, and next thing you know, you just have a gray blob on your eye because they all just kind of blend in together because they're too chalky and they're too all over the place and they move a lot. But these ones don't. You're able to pile them on top of each other and get a lot of depth in the eyeshadow, and that's one thing that I noticed right off the bat that I really like. Next, we're going to take this shade right here. This really nice kind of rich orangey brown shade. It's really pretty, but I want to switch brushes. I'm going to take this Morphe brush. It's from a collection, so it doesn't have a little number on it, but I'm going to use this to apply this shade. And this shade is definitely one of my favorites in the palette. I used it yesterday, and I find that every single time I pick up the palette, this is one of the shades that I use because it's so warm. I'm going to take this brush to soften it up. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more yellow because I think I want to kind of not necessarily blow this out, but I do want it to be more like a kind of thing going on. So I kind of wanted to spread a little bit more. And then next I'm going to take this shade right here. It's like a cranberry color. Honestly, like, this is such a fall look, but I don't even care. I'm just gonna pack this right here. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and be boring and not do a shimmer on the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and just put a matte. So I'm gonna take this Morphe M157, some Matte Fix Plus, and I'm gonna dip into that cranberry type shade that I put on the outer part, and I'm gonna spray it and pack it on my lid. And then I think I'm gonna take the yellow, just dip into the yellow. I'm gonna spray my Fix Plus and pop this right here.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure this.
Alrighty, so I went ahead and
looks
put some lashes on off camera because I don't know, my lash application game has been weak, so I didn't know if we wanted like spending minutes doing it on camera. And now for the under eye, I think that I'm gonna go ahead and take this teal shade just for the sake of trying one of the colorful shades in the palette because I don't want to get yelled at and just do an all neutral look. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. And then I go ahead and take this shade right here and just pop it in the brow bone. I want to put a little bit right here, but I just don't want it to be too intense. And while I have this in my hand, I've used it as a mirror. I'm going to go ahead and just use this blush. I'm going to go ahead and quickly highlight with my Dior highlighter. This is number 3. This is a Sephora number 98 brush. And then for lips, I'm going to take this Morphe liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Peanut. Because why not use Morphe on the lips as well? And while this is pretty, I've been more into the gloss look lately, so I'm going to take a napkin. And I'm just taking some off, and I'm going to put clear gloss on top. I can't even find my clear gloss. I'm using this Jouer lip treatment. It's like a balm. It'll give me the same effect, just probably a little less glossy.
Not bad. Well, I tried my best. This is like the first challenge type of video that I've done on my channel. If you like this look, comment down below, like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you feel about it. If you'd like to see more videos like this. And I may change the lip gloss, but right now I don't have time to like figure it out. But yeah, so let me know if you like this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up. I will talk to you guys later. Peace.